Q1269. When should the battery for a small, unmanned aircraft be replaced? A. Once recharged more than 10 times in the preceding 30 days. B. Per the guidelines of the sUAS manufacturer or the battery manufacturer, whichever is more restrictive. C. Per the guidelines of the sUAS manufacturer or the battery manufacturer, whichever is least restrictive. The correct answer is B. It's essential to follow the manufacturer's guidelines when it comes to battery maintenance and replacement. Batteries are critical components of sUAS and can fail without warning, causing the aircraft to lose power and potentially crash. The manufacturer's guidelines should specify when batteries need to be replaced based on factors such as the number of charging cycles, age, and usage patterns. It's essential to replace batteries on time to avoid potential malfunctions during flight operations. 1211. During the pre-flight inspection, who is responsible for determining the aircraft is safe for flight? A. The remote pilot in command. B. The owner or operator. C. The certificated mechanic who performed the annual inspection. The correct answer is A. During the pre-flight inspection, it is the responsibility of the remote pilot in command to determine if the small unmanned aircraft is in a condition for safe flight. 1212. How often is the remote PIC required to inspect the sUAS to ensure that it is in a condition for safe operation? A. Annually. B. Monthly. C. Before each flight. The correct answer is C. The remote pilot in command is responsible for conducting a pre-flight inspection to ensure that the small unmanned aircraft system is in a condition for safe operation before each flight. This includes checking the aircraft and its components, such as the batteries and control surfaces, to ensure that they are in good working condition and that there are no defects or malfunctions that could affect the safe operation of the aircraft. 1213. How should an sUAS pre-flight inspection be accomplished for the first flight of the day? A. Quick walk around with a check of gas and oil. B. Thorough and systematic means recommended by the manufacturer. C. Any sequence as determined by the pilot in command. The correct answer is B. The pre-flight inspection is an important part of safe sUAS operations and should be performed by the remote pilot in command, RPIC, before each flight. The pre-flight inspection includes both a visual inspection and an operational check of the sUAS, and it should be accomplished thoroughly and systematically, following the manufacturer's recommended procedures. This is especially important for the first flight of the day, as any issues with the sUAS could lead to unsafe flight conditions. 1214. During your pre-flight inspection, you discover that the casing of your sUAS battery has expanded beyond its normal dimensions. What action should you take? A. Throw it away with your household trash. B. Use it as long as it will still hold a charge. C. Follow the manufacturer's guidance. The correct answer is C. An expanded battery casing could indicate that the battery has been damaged or is no longer functioning properly, which could result in a safety hazard. The manufacturer's guidance should be followed to ensure that the battery is handled and disposed of properly.